Here I have a problem from the AIME 2015 math contest. And it tells us that the expressions A, which we'll define as 1 times 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 5 times 6 and so on and so forth, all the way up to 37 times 38 plus 39, and then it loops back around to 1 just this one time, but we didn't really write that 1 here because 39 times 1 is just 39. And B, which we'll define as 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 4 times 5 plus 6 times 7, all the way up to 38 times 39, are obtained by alternating addition and multiplication between consecutive integers, like I've outlined here. And we're tasked with finding the positive difference between A and B. So whichever one's larger, we just want to find the difference between the two. Okay, so let's jump into this, and what I'm going to do is write A minus B down and then group things as we go. So we'll have A minus B, which is equal to 1 times 2 plus 3 times 4, all the way up to 37 times 38 plus 39, and then below that, I'm going to write B, which is equal to 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5, all the way up to 38 times 39. And from this, we can see things that could group pretty quickly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3 here and this 3 here and group those together. And then we'll take the 5 that's in these dots and group it with the 5 here, and so on and so forth. And we'll continue to group things together by the odds like that, ignoring this 2 and this 1, and this 39 and this 38 times 39 here at the end for now. So we're going to group things all the way up to this 37 times 38, and this 37 times 36 that's down here in the end of this dots here. So we'll get something that looks like this. We'll get A minus B is equal to 1 times 2, that's from this term here that we left out, minus 1, that's from this term here, and then we'll have plus 3 times 4 minus 2, that's by this coefficient minus this coefficient, plus 5 times 6 minus 4, that's by this top coefficient minus this bottom coefficient, plus 7 times 8 minus 6, and then you can kind of see where this is going. This is going to continue all the way up to 37 times 38 minus 36, where this 38 is listed right here, and like I said, this 36 is at the very end of these dots here. But then we'll have 39 here that we left off. And then we also have the minus 38 times 39 that we left off here at the end right here. So now we're almost done. We know that all of the odd numbers between 1 and 39, but not including 1 and 39, are multiplied by 2. So let's go ahead and write that out. So we'll have 1, that's by 1 times 2 minus 1, plus 2 times all of the odd numbers between. So that'll be 3 plus 5 plus 7, all the way up to 37. And then we'll have 39 times negative 37. And you might say, why negative 37? Well, that's just 1 minus 38 that we have here. Okay, but now adding all this stuff up, we get 1 plus 720. And then 37 times 39 is 1,443. So we have 721 minus 1,443. So here we get negative 722. But because we want to find the positive difference here, we know that we can just drop this minus sign because we want to take the absolute value. And we know that the positive difference between our list A and our list B is 722. And that's enough for now.